Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to enable JavaScript in Firefox, so websites can function properly and display interactive content. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the address bar at the top. This is where you can enter website addresses and advanced settings. Step 2. Type about.config in the address bar and press Enter. This opens Firefox's advanced configuration page. Step 3. Click Accept the risk and continue to proceed. This confirms you understand the advanced settings warning. Step 4. In the search bar, type javascript.enabled. This setting controls whether JavaScript is enabled or disabled. Step 5. Double-click JavaScript enabled and make sure the value is set to true. JavaScript will now be enabled in Firefox. Step 6. Refresh the web page or restart Firefox if needed. Websites will now run JavaScript normally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.